I would like to explain about experimental research and action research. Experimental research is the most scientific technique. Experimental research adds new knowledge, new theories and ways to the educational practices and educational practices. Okay, and experimental research needs more preparation. And experimental research is mainly cause and effect relationship, based on the cause and effect relationship. And after that, experimental research focuses on variable relationship. Okay, the variables are independent variables and dependent variables. What is independent variable? Independent variables are presummed to the cause of another variable, and dependent variables are presummed effect or outcome. Do you understand? I will give to one example. Independent variable, suppose if you will take one student, he was prepared to bank test. Coaching center is the independent variable and his performance is the dependent variable. Okay, do you understand here? Coaching center is the independent variable and his performance is the dependent variable. So mainly here the experimental research based on the control group and experimental group. Do you understand? And after that, experimental research are two types. One is a laboratory experiment and second one is a field experiment. Do you understand? That is the experimental research. And now action research. Action research is immediate application. Mainly the action research purpose is to solve classroom problems and practical problems. And the design of action research is flexible. The design of action research is flexible. And after that, mainly it solve the problems of practical problems and classroom problems. And after that, non-probability sampling technique are used here. I will give to one example to action research. Suppose if you will take schools or colleges, if they face any problems in teaching learning process or in evaluation problem, evaluation process, or in any academic activities and non-academic activities, if you take anything, if they face any problems in that time, through action research they solve the problems. Okay, it will give quick solution. Action research. Do you understand? So solve the problems and local problems only, mainly just taken. Local problems it will solve through the action research. Do you understand? Actually, experimental research and action research are both different. Okay, thank you so much.